Now this is what I don't like about these real small screws here. These. See what happens? It tears them up right here. This really gets messed up. But I have a solution to this. This guy, Ed Williams, showed me how to do this. Okay, I'm not going to tighten these down real tight, but just so they don't move. Okay, watch this. See how they're messed up? Watch this. Look at that. Looks like it's brand new. Look at that. Look at this one. Look how messed up that is. Guess what? So, I got to tell you about this hammer. My grandfather made this. He was born in 1887, and he made this around the turn of the century when it turned to the 1900s. And this is one of the most useful hammers I ever had.